In this video, I'll show you how to fix Game Pass not working on Xbox step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Go to Settings and then Network and then test network connection. If it's unstable, restart your router or switch to a wired connection. Step 2. Verify your subscription. Open the Microsoft Store and then Subscriptions and make sure your Game Pass is active and not expired. Step 3. Restart your Xbox. Hold the power button for 10 seconds until it fully shuts down, then turn it back on. This clears temporary system glitches. Step 4. Clear local cache. Go to System, then Settings, then System, then Storage. Clear local saved games. Don't worry, your data is backed up on the cloud. Step 5. Update your console. Head to the Settings and then System and then Updates, and install any pending updates. Outdated software can block Game Pass access. Step 6. Reinstall the Game Pass app. If the app itself isn't loading, uninstall it then download it again from the Microsoft Store. Step 7. Check Xbox Live status. Sometimes it's a server issue. Visit the official Xbox status page to confirm if Game Pass servers are down. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll quickly fix Game Pass not working on Xbox. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.